Welcome to Science and Maths Guy. In this channel, I make maths and science simple for BECE and SHS students. So today I'll be telling you some of the common mistakes BECE students make in linear equation during their exams. The number one mistakes most students make in exams is panicking. Most students, when they enter in exams and they see a linear equation, they panic. It is not about panicking. Calm down, analyze the question, and start. Most students panic and thereby jumping some of the steps. And in linear equation, every step matters. If you jump a step, you have missed a mark. One of these mistakes that most students make in when they are solving linear equations. Another mistakes most students make during linear equation is not simplifying the equation. Most students start working by not simplifying the equation before moving on. For example, 2x plus 3x is equals to 15. Most students will just start by solving the question. In this question, you need to simplify the question. So in simplifying the question, we add the x variables before moving on to solve the question. So 2x plus 3x will give us 5x, which is equals to 15. So you have to simplify the question before solving it. Most students just jump in and start working. You need to simplify it to make it simpler for moving on. Another mistakes students make during linear equation is not mixing the operations. Most students, when they are working linear equations, when they are moving a number across the equal sign, they do not change the operations. For example, 3x minus 10 is equals to 20. So when most students will write like this, 3x is equals to 20 minus 10, which is wrong. Because when the 10 is moving across the equal sign, it has to be changed to a positive sign. I know most students has seen this, they have heard it, but they do not understand why you must change the operation, changing it from negative to positive or from positive to negative. Let's assume that this side of equation is a bucket of mangoes and this side of equation is a bucket of mangoes. So bucket A and bucket B, and we assume that bucket A number of mangoes are the same as bucket B mangoes. So therefore, if you are picking a number of mangoes out of this, then you must add those number of mangoes here. And if it was positive, if you are taking a positive number of mangoes here, which means you must remove that number of mangoes here in order to get the equation being equal. So that's why when you are causing the equal sign, you must change the operations. So instead of this, the right way to do is 3x should be equals to 20 plus 10. Another problems students face or error students makes during linear equation is not being able to do the same on both sides of the equation. So let's continue with the example. So that means we will have 3x, which is equal to 20 plus 10, which is 30. Most students will just say x is equals to 30 divided by 3, which is wrong. In linear equations, both sides of the equation, anything you do on the other side should be done on the other side. You do not jump each step. Jumping the steps costs you the mark. So what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to do 3x divided by 3, 30 divided by 3. So this is a step that the examiner expects to see, where 3 will cancel 3, 3 will go itself 1 and go here by 10 times. So now you write x is equals to 10. I hope you are following what I am doing. If you have understood these mistakes that students make during exams, subscribe to this channel and more videos shall be coming in every week for you. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section for them to be solved. But before you leave, let me give you an example that you will try in linear equation. 3x plus 4x minus 3 is equals to 15. Solve this equation and put it in the comment section for me. I'll be reading every comment on this video and all the problems shall be solved.